Hi, I'm Allison, and on today's Hot Tools How-To, we're learning how to use the hair dryer to get more volume out of fine hair. Start by spritzing a heat-protecting leave-in conditioner. Then, you're ready for the new Hot Tools Signature Series hair dryer. While your hair is still damp, let's give it a quick full blast to fluff up your hair and add texture. Continue until your hair is about 80% dry. Now, put the concentrator on, which is included with your Hot Tools hair dryer, and use your round brush to set the volume in the crown. This will help to lock in volume. Once your hair is completely dry, top it off with a quick spritz of hairspray. There you go! Even fine hair can be full. All it takes is you and the Hot Tools Signature Series, because everyone deserves beautiful.
The Fold-N-Go dryer from Andis offers big 1875-watt performance in a compact, lightweight design and uses Nano-ceramic and Ionic technologies to shorten drying time and create smoother, silkier hair. The 3 heat and speed settings plus a cool shot button help lock in your style. The Andis Fold-N-Go Ionic Dryer also includes a concentrator that helps direct the airflow to a particular area, providing greater control of the drying process. The convenient folding handle makes it perfect for travel or for storing in tight spaces, and with the push of a button, the retractable cord makes using and storing a breeze. Andis, every style, every groom, every cut.
Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the one-step hair dryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous results. Style confidently.
Panasonic